fans. Welcome, Irashaimase, with all of these cute little wings. Such cute little wings. Welcome back to Nappy Cat. We're so glad that you can join us today. In today's video, we're going to learn about a kitty who had been separated from his family for 14 years. Jess the cat was missing for 14 years. He is a beautiful black kitty with yellow eyes. Back right around 2007, he had literally vanished from his family's garden. He was right around 3 years old at the time. Somebody's noticing things around here. Well, he had lived as a stray for 14 years. There was a nearby housing community. They had been taking care of the kitty. He had stayed on the premises and had become friends with the neighbors and the people there. And so they had taken care of him and they renamed him Tippy. Yes, oh, such cute little wings. Such cute little wings. Well, they all really grew to love him, but they noticed that he was becoming a senior. Yes, becoming an older kitty. And for those of you who've ever had older kitties, which I've had kitties too that grew into old age, they need special care. And they realized that about Tibby. And so they brought him into a place that could help him. Very likely a shelter. Well, they microchip scanned the kitty. Yes, they microchip scanned for finding out who he was or if there was any owners. And they found out that he was named Jess. And they contacted the family at 17 years old. Oh, that is a nice old age for a kitty. Jess was reunited with his family. And the goodness of this story goes to show the value of being able to have your kitty microchipped. Because even when he was 17 years old, and after 14 years, they found the kitty. The neighbors all said they missed the kitty, but they're very happy that he is in a good place and in a nice, safe home where he can be an elder kitty and live out all the rest of his days in purrs. Yeah, purrs and love, well-being and happiness, just as every kitty deserves. Yes, I just thank all of you so much for watching our video today. And if you like the contents of our video, don't forget to take those paws and paw that like button. You can paw the subscription button, and you can paw the notification bell. Paw all when you paw the notification bell, and you'll be notified so that you can see all of Nappy Cat's videos. Well, thank you all so very much. And we look forward to seeing you with all of these cute little wings. Such cute little wings in the next video.